We are solving a few questions of visuals today. So basically what they're asking out here is what will be a next figure in the series. So what is the next figure in the series? So let's look at how it moves. Now if you look at individual, like here, this is flipping. Okay, again it flips, but it remains same out here. There's no specific pattern that you see. When you don't see a specific pattern on individual, then look at the overall figure. If you look at all the four figures, if you look at this remains constant, the last one, remaining all are same. The last one remains constant, remaining all are same. And when you look at second to third, the second last one, arrow remains constant, remaining all are changing direction. Third to fourth, the square is remaining in the same direction, remaining all are changing direction. Fourth to fifth, the top figure is remaining same, remaining all are changing direction. Automatically in the next one, the last bottom figure should remain same and remaining all should change direction, which is in B. So this last remains same and remaining all the remaining three are changing direction. So automatically the answer will be B. So when you don't get the answer with individual, looking at one and there is no specific pattern, look at the overall figure and then try to find a pattern out here. So try to look at one element. Let's see the center element. The center element is going down. Star is going up. Square is going down. Black dot is going up. So star should come down. So if you look at the four option, D option ruled out. Now if we look at these four options, the top right corner figure is different. So let's look at top right corner. Here Z is a new figure if you look at it. The star is coming from down. This is a new figure which is coming. Circle is coming from down. So next figure should be a new figure. If it is a new figure, it can be either C or E, new figure. So A and B option ruled out because this is repeated. Now in A, C and E, all the elements are same. If all the elements are same, go back and see if any figure is repeated. You will realize that this figure is repeated out here. And because this figure is repeated, this cannot be the answer because it has to be a new figure. Therefore, the answer will be E option. Because we want a new figure, it can't be a repeat figure. And therefore, answer will be E. Okay. Look at lines. One line, two lines. So there is plus 1. 4 lines, plus 2. It remains 4, 0. Now there are 5 lines, plus 1. So plus 1 plus 2 0, plus 1 it should be plus 2, right? If it's plus 2, that means 5 plus 2, 7 elements should be there. So 7 elements are there in A option, 7 elements are there in B option, 7 elements are there in C option, but D and E option ruled out. 7 elements are not there. Now look at how the elements are there. It starts from top, okay, and now it goes from bottom here. Second line it goes from bottom. Third line should start from top. If it start from top, then B option is not possible because B option, the third line is starting from down. Because in the first line it starts from top, the elements. Second line it starts from bottom, the elements. The third line will start from top. So it's B option ruled out. We are left with A and C. A and C, the difference is look at the bottom figure. Now if you look at the bottom figure, it remains always the same. Okay, curve always remains the same. So automatically A option ruled out because of this. Therefore, the answer will be C. So look at one element and try to find a pattern. It becomes easier to solve. Okay. Again, here, if you look at individual elements, you don't get any particular pattern. Small, small, big, small, small. If you look at small, big, big, small, small. So look at the overall thing. Now, from first to second, what is changing? If you look at first 3 elements are becoming either big to small or small to big. First 3 elements are becoming either big to small or small to big. If I go to next, if you look at next 12, 1 and 2 elements are becoming, changing this one, they become small to big, 2 elements. If I look at next, again 3 elements are either becoming small to big or big to small. Only 1 element remains same. 3 elements are becoming small to big or big to small. So if you look at it, 3 elements are changing this size, 2 elements are changing size, 3 elements are changing size. Here if you look at next 2 elements are changing size. So next it should be 3 elements changing size. That means the next 3, 1, 2 and the third one should change size. So this should be big. So if you look at the option, it is D option. Okay, these three elements, so change the size. So change size is 3, 2, 3, 2. So next three elements should change size, and it follows a particular pattern from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and next continues this pattern. Let's look at the black dot. Out, moves 2 steps inside, moves 2 step outside, moves 2 step inside, moves 2 step outside, moves 2 step inside. So or A or E option. Now if you look at A and E option, the position of square, one is inside, one is outside. If you look at that, inside, inside, outside, 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 you can't find a pattern. Let me look at a position. It's here, it's moved 3 places, it's moved 2 places, it's moved 1 places. Next it's moved 3 places, so it should move 2 places. If it should move 2 places, it should be A option. Okay, it's moved 3, 2, 1, again 3, it should be 2 places. The square should move 3. Square should move 3 places, 2 places, 1 place, 3, it should be 2. So automatically you get the answer as A option. Right? I hope it's clear. So visual is normally improved practice. So if you practice a lot, I'm sure it will help you in your exam. Thank you.